With interest rates on the rise and a very competitive banking industry, we're suddenly seeing the banks compete for our savings once again. As a result, the market for term deposits is looking increasingly good for investors who want to play it safe. Nine's Joe Townsend investigates which banks are giving the best deals over the long run.
Banks are certainly looking to take part in the upswing in the economy, and banks want to make sure that they can participate in that. One of the best ways to do that is to get consumers to deposit more money.
Are you competing for Aussie customers' money?
Absolutely, we are indeed.
We're finally seeing the banks actually competing for your money. Does that surprise you? Not at all.
It does, given that the RBA rate hasn't really moved around and there's not much sort of happening on that front.
Banks need your cash, so right now's the time to shop around to get returns well above the market rate on your term deposit.
And what we're seeing right now is that term deposits are becoming more attractive to customers because rates are increasing and you can get more value. So if you can get 7% from RaboPlus in a 5-year term, well, that suddenly becomes quite attractive as an offering.
And it's the longest terms that are providing the best prices, but you have to weigh that up against the fact that we don't know how high interest rates are going to go over the next 5 years. In the 5-year term deposit market, RaboPlus and Bank West offer a very attractive 7% return. But if you don't want to kiss your hard-earned goodbye for half a decade, the other end of the market only needs you to put your money away for a term of 30 days. The best option here is Citibank, offering 4.1%.
The difference between the first and the second in the market right now could add up to $1,000 of extra interest for a $25,000 term deposit over 5 years. There's a big advantage to consumers in shopping around online.
And if you've been burnt on the share market, term deposits are the safer end of investing.
So you get certainty of rate, peace of mind, and you also get an income.
It's a very safe, very secure way to put your money somewhere that'll earn money for you. And that's got to be good news for consumers, as banks really need to get hold of consumer deposits.
But term deposits aren't for everyone. You need to know you can put that amount of money away without needing access to it for the whole time you've signed up. Joe Townsend, 9 News.